Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack! Fuck! You little motherfucker!
Hey, fucker, get out of here! What are you doing, asshole? I'm gonna fucking put a dent in your fucking car. Watch this.
Oh shit, you found us so mad. You should start running.
It's time to go. You're not supposed to be on this course anyways.
Okay.
All right, so just here.
No.